So I first found out about it because I'm a huge gamer,
Okay.
absolutely huge gamer. I grew up playing Halo with all my mates, and grew up playing World of Warcraft. Currently, I'm a competitive Tekken player.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow.
What does a competitive Tekken player involve?
Well, you got your casuals, obviously. So your casual Tekken player just kind of plays it maybe like every now and again with your mates who just like.
But it's online?
Yeah, it's online.
Yeah.
Maybe like you mash a few buttons when you go online and
Yep.
you kind of like, know a few little things here and there. For me, being a competitive player means that you immerse yourself in the kind of deeper meaning of how the game works. So you're no longer just kind of playing it casually. You're like, okay, you're studying, characters, you're studying like frame data, you're studying
What's frame data?
frame data. Oh, bro.
Or is that a whole nother podcast?
We got another hour for that one.
Okay, cool.
You're studying like plus and minus frames, you're studying all this kind of stuff.
Damn.
And you just get into it a bit more in depth. I started playing Tekken 7 in COVID era because when COVID hit and we're all in lockdown, I was like, what are the two things I can do that will take up the most time? And they were learn how to play Tekken and watch One Piece.
And watch what?
One Piece.
What's that?
Anime.
Oh.
You know?
No, I mean, I know what anime is.
Yeah.
I'm aware that it's this massive co-pop. It's just not something I've ever dipped my toe in the water and kind of experienced, but I know it's huge.
Okay, bro, keep it away, bro. Keep it away.
Fair enough.